AJ here, the average Green Beret for the follow-on mission. Well, Rebecca finally put the race car back together last night, so thought I'd do a walk around to the underneath side and show you some things that I pray nobody ever sees at the racetrack. Start at the back, we've got a reproduction factory fuel tank in it. Factory capacity, factory fuel tank, old one's a little rusty, so she put that in there. Move up to the differential. As you can see, it's the factory 7.5 inch 10 bolt open diff running a 237 rear-end. Control arms, factory original stamped steel control arms. She's just detailed them out real nice. And I believe the rear end, I don't know if I said this, I think she said it's a 237-to-1 final gear in it. Factory original 8-inch drum brakes. Wheels and tires, we've got the rain set up on it right now. These are 14.6s running, I believe, a 205 60 series BF Goodrich. I think some kind of all-season tire or something. There you go, lower control arm, again, stamped steel. Swing around, so I believe she said that's for the evap system, maybe. Anyway, better view of the factory 10 bolt, 7.5 inch ring gear. And factory drive shaft. Moving along. Oh yeah, old catalytic converter. Gotta keep that on there. And I know, so you own this car, 40 plus years. The exhaust has been redone a time or two, but it's still the 1.5 inch aluminized tubing. It's running off the factory, the old 305 log manifold. Nothing changed there. And it's the original 305 that came in it. Everything's stock down to the oil pan. And I think she did say she put maybe rings and bearings in it. I'm not sure. She worked on it, did some stuff. Okay, I know intake manifold valve cover gaskets for sure. But there you go. Front control arms, stamped steel. And yeah, up top there, factory 305. She did take something off of it, air conditioner compressor maybe, I believe that's what it was. Anyway, yeah, there's the bottom. I hope you guys never have to see this at the racetrack. And thanks for watching.